McDonald's has launched some of the most successful products in fast food history. But in the 1990s, the company made a bet that cost them more than $100 million. The product was called the Arch Deluxe. It was supposed to attract a completely new type of customer. Instead, it became one of the biggest failures in McDonald's history. So, what went wrong? By the early 1990s, McDonald's was already dominating the fast food industry. The company was known for affordable food, quick service, and a family-friendly image. But executives wanted something more. They wanted to attract adults. Specifically, adults who thought McDonald's was too childish. Management believed there was an opportunity to create a more sophisticated burger that would appeal to mature consumers. And that's where the Arch Deluxe was born. Unlike the Big Mac or Quarter Pounder, the Arch Deluxe wasn't designed for families. It was designed for adults. McDonald's even described it as a burger with a more grown-up taste. The company developed a special sauce and positioned the product as a premium option. On paper, it seemed like a smart idea. Create a higher-end burger and attract a new audience. But there was one major problem. McDonald's didn't just launch the burger, they went all in. The company spent over $100 million promoting the Arch Deluxe. At the time, it was one of the largest marketing campaigns in fast food history. Television commercials ran nationwide. Billboards appeared everywhere. The message was clear. This wasn't a burger for kids. This was a burger for adults. McDonald's believed they could change how people saw the brand, but customers had a different opinion. The Arch Deluxe wasn't necessarily a bad burger. Many people actually liked the taste. The real problem was positioning. Consumers already had a clear idea of what McDonald's represented. Cheap food, fast service, consistency, convenience. People didn't visit McDonald's looking for sophistication. They visited because they knew exactly what they were going to get. The company was trying to change decades of brand perception almost overnight, and customers weren't buying it. Despite the massive advertising budget, sales never met expectations. The Arch Deluxe struggled to gain traction. Eventually, McDonald's quietly removed it from most locations. The product became a textbook example of how even the world's biggest brands can misunderstand their customers. What's fascinating is that the failure wasn't really about the burger. It was about the brand. McDonald's tried to sell an image that didn't match what consumers already believed, and that's incredibly difficult to do. A product can be changed in months. A brand perception can take years, sometimes decades. The Arch Deluxe cost McDonald's over $100 million. Not because it was a terrible product, but because it challenged what customers expected from the brand. And that's the lesson. In marketing, success isn't just about creating a great product. It's about understanding what people already believe about your brand. And changing that perception is often much harder than creating something new. If you want to learn the marketing strategies behind the world's biggest brands and how to apply them to your own business, subscribe to Brand Up. Every week, we break down real marketing psychology, branding, advertising, and business strategies so you can become a better marketer. I'll see you in the next one.